Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about why you should use the tools that Google offers. So let's get started. Before I start this video, I just wanted to say that I'm gonna be uploading videos more frequently now, and I plan on making much better content. So if you're interested in would like to see videos on things like coding, tech, and tips on different things, I recommend you go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on anything. Anyways, let's start now. So first, what do I mean by the tools that Google offers? I mean the free utilities and sites Google has. Some of these include Google Drives, Google Docs, Google Slides, and a lot more. It's very probable that you have used one of these, or at least heard about them. But today I want to discuss different things about them, mainly why you should use them. But I'll also talk about some other details, like how they can do things like this. First reason. I don't know about you, but it just makes my life easier to have everything in one place. Therefore, I loved how Google made it so that just one Google account had everything connected. I mean, it just feels good to have my files, my photos, my articles and documents, my presentations, my surveys, and other things in the same place. It's just so easy. Second reason. Now I'm going to talk about some of the features of individual tools. One thing I love about them is that everything is saved. Take Google Docs. It's a very good text editor with everything you'd want, but it also saves everything real time. It just has happened to me that I was working on a project which I hadn't saved and was very far in, but there was a blackout. Then I remembered that fortunately I was using Google Docs and just a few characters were gone. It also makes it much easier to work anywhere. I don't use laptops, but I imagine how you could be working on something and you could just close it and go and have everything still there. It's also pretty good if you use multiple devices. Before I used Google, I either emailed myself the document, which I had to do every time I saved, use a USB, or some other slow and inefficient method. It was pain. Fortunately, I use Google's tools now. Third reason. Collaboration is seamless. The fact that you can just add a friend to something like a slides presentation, a Google Docs document, and we can collaborate real time, it makes it much easier. I've used this many times, either on school assignments or private projects I'm working on. And also I'll talk about more on the education side later. It's also very simple and easy to just send a link and be able to collaborate with anyone. Fourth reason, the ease of access. All the primary Google tools are free and you don't even use up space on your Drive account. I just imagine how I could use all the documents I ever worked on for free and I could access them anytime. Also, see Google Photos. You may upload and store an unlimited amount of photos and videos for free without taking up space due to compression, and this can save storage on your devices. This is also very useful for phones especially. Fifth reason. Now I'll talk about the education side as I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna look both on an educator's point of view and a student's. Unfortunately, I won't be able to talk about the easiness on a further scale for the education's point of view since I haven't tried it as much. As a student, I feel it's so easy and efficient that I'm able to work on assignments and homework anywhere. A feature which is also not often talked about is the ability to add class comments. I can imagine how this makes it much easier for people to ask questions and such. Now I'll talk on an educator's point of view. I imagine it would be much easier to be able to check assignments without the need of a physically reading copy anytime. I can also imagine how you could easily post files for a class to see. In conclusion, I think it's really great that anyone can work on things like this for free. In fact, this video script, including what you're reading right now, was all written in Google Docs. Don't believe me? Have a look. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and would like to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to know every time I upload a video. If you like, be sure to like the video and comment on suggestions on things you would like to see next. Thank you.